Is it possible to make money online? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how one of my friends is making $10,000 or more every month by promoting products he doesn't even touch. Now, we haven't talked about this on this channel before, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works in this little tutorial and show you where he finds these products and how he actually promotes them to make the money. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online by promoting products you never even touch. All right, guys, so let's jump into this training. Now, before we do that, every single week I bring out videos on how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe, you smash that like button and tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out. So this is a training on how my buddy is making over $10,000 per month. Okay, a friend of mine, he's explained to me how he does it. Now, this particular method is new to my channel. It has been around for some time, but it's new to this channel and I've never talked about this on this channel before. Now, I'm not going to be talking about Clickbank. We've done quite a few videos on that lately. So we're going to be talking about something that we've never had on this channel before, and it's not Clickbank. So make sure you stay tuned because you don't want to miss this one. Now, once again, I'm going to announce the two winners on the screen right now from the last video. If you don't know what this is, what you need to do is find the emoji in this video and then comment below emoji plus cash or emoji plus course and smash that like button and I might pick you for the next video. Essentially, you could win some cash or access to one of my courses if you find that emoji and you comment it below. So let's get into this video and I'll show you exactly how my buddy is making over $10,000 a month online with this strategy. All right, guys, so the first step you need to actually do in this method is you need to go to a website called Offer Vault. So this is offervault.com and it's kind of like an affiliate network aggregator. So it shows you all the best affiliate products for this method and the best networks that you can sign up to find these products on. So let's just do a quick little tutorial on how this works. You can go into the search bar and you can find products to promote. So essentially, you would actually have to know the name of the product, and a lot of you guys wouldn't know that. But you can actually choose specific networks. You can choose specific categories like as seen on TV, apparel, fashion, business opportunities, diet and weight loss, display, downloads, email, and all sorts of stuff. Now, I'm not going to show you the best product to promote because I don't know. There's lots of products and you have to actually test them. But I will show you some examples of some good products. Now, if we go down here, there's lots of products you can find to promote. Now, you want to look for ones that have been updated recently. And then under network, these are the networks that you would sign up to promote the specific product. And then we have the category over here. And then we have CPA, sale, or lead. Now, CPA stands for cost per action, or some people call it cost per acquisition. You essentially get paid for an action that happens. But what I've done for this video is I've found a few products that I would recommend that I know my friend has promoted. And then actually all you do is if you want to see what network it is, you just right click on the network and it will open up the network. And this is where you would actually sign up to promote a specific product. There's actually so many networks out there, it's insane. So to stop you getting overwhelmed, I've found this product here. This is kind of like a LED emergency light bulb. Now, they give you a little bit of information here. You get $20 per lead. Now, a lead to these guys, you need to read it carefully because I found it before. But a lead to them is a credit card transaction, okay? It doesn't say it here anymore, but it's a credit card transaction, okay? So essentially, if someone purchases this product and it's a verified purchase, you're gonna get $24, okay? Now, the best part about this, guys, is you're not just promoting courses or anything like that. You can actually promote physical products. This is actually a physical e-commerce product that you can promote and you will get a commission. So you don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about having a website. You don't have to worry about anything. You can literally go and promote a physical product. So all the information is here, okay? They give you a few rules. Yeah, so offer converts on a purchase with a verified credit card. So any purchase, you will get paid. And all you do if you want to promote this specific product, you just go down to join network and it's going to open up a network and you can sign up to promote this product. It's really, really cool. You just put in your information and they will probably have an approval process. Now, we're going to use this kind of like just as an example in this video, but here's another one here. So this is a Dyson giveaway offer for this particular Dyson thing. Now this is a little bit different because they give you $2.72. Now the reason it's a lot lower is because I think they actually give you $2 for every verified email that you send them. So it's not a purchase, it's every verified email, because this is a competition that they're running. Here is another one, which is called the Grasshopper Group, and this is a business opportunity that you can promote for $75 in, we'll just say commissions. And if we go down here, the user flow conversion converts on a valid credit card submit. And then once again, you join the network. Now here's an example of this one. So essentially you could promote this particular product. I'm not really sure what it is. It's some sort of application. Now, how do you get the link? You simply just go to join network. Once you join the network, you will get the affiliate link that you can then promote. Now here's an example of one of the networks that I'm actually signed up to, and I do promote products, but I don't make as much as my friend doing this. If we go, so this is called healthmarket.com, and I promote health products and all sorts of things from here. If I go down, for example, to teeth whitening, what's going to happen is so you can get $45 per action. This one is CPS, so per sale, per action, per sale. So that's actually a percentage instead of a set price. But if I go to CPA here, it's going to take me to a page where I'm going to get an affiliate link. So this market health is actually is one of these networks. Okay, remember that OfferVault is just an aggregator. They just bring on all the products. You have to sign up to the actual network. So if we take this link, right, this is my actual affiliate link. This is where I would be sending traffic to. This is what happens when people click that link. They get taken to the page to buy the product. And if they buy the product, I get paid, in this instance, let me have a look, $45 per action. And here's another one, which is water damage, flood damage. So something like this, you could promote in Google or something like that with keywords related to that. And you get $200 per lead. So you get paid $200 per call, and they would obviously probably have to make a purchase, okay? And then there's some restrictions. So I think I've gone over what this thing is and kind of enough to help you understand. This is a platform where you can find products to promote to make money. Now it will be up to you to find the best products for you specifically, but I would probably look at promoting a physical product first. The reason is you have so many advertising options. So first of all, because you are going to have to go and do paid traffic and stuff, if you want, you can do free traffic and YouTube and stuff like that, but it's going to take you quite a long time to make some good money. My friend is not making 10 grand a month from free traffic. Now, you can actually go to traffic sources here in this tab here, and you're going to get multiple traffic sources that you can use. Now, these are specifically designed for these types of offers, okay? These are really, really good for these types of offers. And if you actually go to these websites, it'll explain to you exactly what they are. And essentially, these are advertising networks. We can promote these products. So if we go down here, they've had over 50,000 successful campaigns, 100,000 leads last month. And you can just sign up. Essentially, you go to registration, and you sign up as an advertiser, okay? Now, we can go to this one here. This is another one. You simply go to sign up, and you want to advertise, okay? These are networks that are specifically tailored for these offers. And once you sign up, they'll have tutorials on how to create landing pages and how to send traffic to those links that you get from signing up to these offers and these networks, okay? So essentially what you're doing is you're going to be using these traffic networks to send to your custom affiliate link, like this one here as well, but you can actually use stuff like Google as well. Now, what do I mean by that? This product, for example, would be really good for Google. So you send people to your custom link and you send them to the bulb page, right? You can actually run Google ads like this one, for example, LED bulb. And when someone searches that specific search term, you can do Google shopping ads like this, or you could actually go and do a little ad like this, which might be a little bit better because then you don't have to use images or videos or anything like that. But that's how you can go and get traffic to these offers. It's really quite simple to do. And you can also use Facebook advertising as well to send to your custom link, send to the offer. Now, if this offer, it's an e-commerce product, a physical product, and you get $24 when someone purchases. Now, you need to line up the traffic with the product. This e-commerce product is not really going to probably work very good with these ones. It's probably going to work better with Google and Facebook traffic. Because these specific ad networks, the ones that I showed you over here, let me just find them. These specific ad networks are really tailored for things like leads and business opportunities and all that type of stuff. So you find a product to promote. I would recommend probably an e-commerce physical product if you're a beginner. You find some traffic by going to traffic sources or using Facebook and Google, and you send traffic to the affiliate link that you get after signing up to one of these networks. Now, if you want some more training on actual general affiliate marketing, you can check out my course that takes you through step-by-step how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. We take you through everything. We take you through finding the products, creating a website, email list, funnel, Clickbank, Amazon, search engine optimization, Clickbank. We give you all the funnels you need. We give you all the emails you need. We give you done for you, basically businesses that you can go and start online today with this training. So check this out. There'll be a link in the description. It will take you through everything you need to know to start your own affiliate marketing business online from scratch. Now, if you want some more free training, there's some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step on how to start your own affiliate marketing business. And this is completely free for you to watch. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the video on the right.